I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations Dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Now here search and select Moosend. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for the API key. Please visit Moosend API console. Now go to Setting on the top right corner. Then click on API key under Setting. Copy this and paste it on the authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Choose Method. Then choose List. Now map the fields. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Moosend. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Now let's go to the Moosend. Here is the data that came into Moosend through the integration. Thanks for watching.